Hi, welcome to this video today, which is on the subject of following Forex price action and making consistent profits from the markets. Now, most traders will pick a simple price action trading strategy and they hope to make money longer term. And they soon learn they don't work. They do not work for retail traders. They work for a group of professional traders, but you cannot join that group. Now, price action trading is incredibly popular. Okay, if you look on YouTube, for example, there's a huge amount of educators saying their price action trading strategies work. They produce no evidence whatsoever that they do. Now, in terms of this video, I just want to go through why the strategies do not work and how to make money from the markets. I've written up some points on a storyboard, so let's go and take a look at them. All right, let's go through some points in relation to Forex price action trading. Now, in terms of not being able to make money with the strategies, I'm obviously giving you my views here, which come from my research and my 30 years experience of trading. I would strongly recommend you do your own research, of course, and there's two great books I think any trader should read. Just before I go through the points, I put them at the bottom of my storyboard. They are Why Aren't They Shouting? By Kevin Rogers and Winner Takes All by William Gallagher. Read those books and you'll see why making big money with price action trading is not going to happen. Okay, now let's go through the points. The top traders in the world do not use price action trading strategies. The overwhelming majority. There is a small elite group though that do, but you can't join them. They actually prey on retail traders. I'll come to them a little bit later on. But in terms of price action trading strategies, why are they so popular? Well, point number two, 15% of all trading is retail. And retail clients, brokers want to give them a message they can believe in terms of making money. And what's easier than trading and following price action? You'll often hear the statement, trade what you see, not what you think. And when you look at a chart, it all looks pretty easy, doesn't it? You can see the trends, the periods of consolidation, etc. Try and do it in real time though, and you will fail. Now, in terms of the simple message, there's a massive sales industry around it. Brokers obviously want to encourage clients to use price action trading strategies because they want as many clients as possible. Obviously, they make money out of them. And there's a lot of educators online, a huge amount, who say their strategies and techniques work in relation to price action trading, but they never produce any evidence whatsoever that they've made money or can make money. Most of the advice they give and examples are kind of hindsight trading, that's easy, or vague advice. You will not find one price action trading educator give a real-time track record. I don't think you'll find any that give real-time trades in advance, entry, stop and target. Now, in terms of price action trading, it did work for retail traders before the internet. When I was around before the internet, and I did know some price action traders who really made decent profits, but that all ended after the internet. And the reason is obvious. Everyone has got the same information at the same time. So, you can get all the breaking news today at the same time your broker does. That wasn't the case in the past, okay? This means a lot of order flow comes in quickly, okay? And that means the noise levels are higher. You see all those spiked tails on charts and so forth. They're much noisier than they were before the internet, okay? So the noise levels have increased, okay? The trends are no longer so smooth, and you get a lot more kind of choppy sideways action than you did in the past, okay? And it's really hard for a price action trader to catch and hold big trends, okay? You don't get the smooth trends you did in yesteryear at all. And the noise levels are so high that, a price action trader will get taken out of the market, and then he'll probably see the trade go the way that he thought. Okay, I would stress stop placement is as important as entry. Okay, now in terms of most traders who trade price action trading strategies, they're just too short term. Okay, a lot of traders think it's a result if they get 50 or 100 pips. Well, if you get a 50 or 100 pip profit, how much are you risking on the other side? 20, 30, 50 pips? That is within normal noise levels. Over time, you will lose. Okay. Now, also in terms of noise levels, the elite kind of technical traders who I mentioned earlier on hunt down retail traders and create a lot of noise. They want to get stock clusters of retail traders. They're the high frequency trading programs. Okay. Now, in terms of them, they're very, very quick. Let's say you see the price on your broker platform. That's slightly delayed because you've got the big board in Forex where that comes from. The HFTs are locked into that, and they can do hundreds of orders in the time that you blink your eye. Okay, incredibly fast. Now, you can't join this group of traders unless you've got a lot of money. Yeah, these HFT programs, the really good ones, earn millions of dollars to develop and maintain. And they know where the retail traders' stops are, and where their positions are likely to be, and they hunt them down. Okay, so they create a lot of noise as well. Now, most price action traders will trade patterns. Okay, you've seen them, Gartley patterns, etc. Patterns don't work. It's a clustering illusion. You know, looking backwards, you can see a pattern that works. If you don't see how many times it didn't work, your brain is designed to spot patterns. That's genetic. Okay, and the clustering illusion is something price action traders obviously fall for. You could actually take any pattern you wanted. Okay, this has been done by several sources and test it, and over time is no better than random. Okay, so if it's no better than random, you're obviously going to lose. I'm actually quite surprised. Actually, pattern trading, people cannot see the flawed logic in it. Why should a pattern repeat from the past like a mathematical formula? It obviously doesn't make sense, but a lot of traders believe that it does. It doesn't. Okay, how can retail traders make money? Well, forget about just doing price action trading. Okay, use technical analysis, but get yourself a bias from doing simple fundamental analysis or sentiment analysis, which is easy to do. Then you keep the technical analysis very simple and aim for bigger moves in the market and stay outside of the noise. Okay, just join our mailing list if you have more information on the best strategies, or look through our YouTube channel. The books, I strongly recommend them. Why Aren't They Shouting? Really gives you an insight into the HFTs and the development of the markets from before the internet to after the internet. And Winner Takes All is a brilliant, funny book on flawed technical analysis. It covers a lot of other great points in the book in relation to becoming a successful Forex trader. But both really good books. So my advice is, if you're thinking of trading Forex price action strategies, don't. You will lose money. And you can still use a simple strategy, but make sure you have a simple understanding of the fundamentals and sentiment that drive the chart. Then you can use simple technical levels of support and resistance to help you enter and manage your trades. Right, that is the video for today. Hope you found it useful. Thanks for watching. Take care. Have a good day.